Today we're installing a boost gauge on a MK6 Jetta GLI.
What year is this vehicle?
This fine unit is a 2012. We went with the Pro Sport digital boost gauge. The vent mount that mounts in the vent next to the driver's steering wheel. We got the boost tap right here, which goes right in between these guys to get your boost signal for your gauge. First step, you're going to want to remove the battery. Take off these covers here, just throw them over there. I already loosened these, disconnect the cables.
What are you, a YouTuber?
Yeah. Next step, you're going to want to take the battery out. This is a 13 millimeter. Move your plastic shrouding.
Oh.
There's a rubber grommet that goes through the firewall, and that's where you'll run your boost lines through. You're gonna tap into this baby. Alright, this is the boost tap. Now, depending on what year your Jetta is, you can get different boost taps. This is for the 11 to 13, I believe, or 14. And it goes right in here. And then it comes with two holes. One you're going to want to plug, the other you're going to use the correct size nipple. So you're going to want to use the blue Loctite that comes with the boost tap. So you got this here. See, if you do this at your buddy's house, you can just throw that in their yard and not care. Alright, we got our port plugged in there and our proper nipple for the boost line. And then I highly recommend lubricating the O-rings so when you install this it doesn't tear them. Then you want to go ahead, slide this right in here, just like so, and you can clock it any way you want. I'm going to point mine down so I can hide the boost line. And then you get this nice fancy clip here. It just goes like so, and it keeps it from sliding off. And then you take the OEM one, and it just pops right in over that. And you run your boost line. This is the boost line that came with the gauge. Take her like so. And you gotta work it a little bit. Just like that. Recommend putting a zip tie or something, just make sure it doesn't slide off. Got the handy dandy zip tie shooter 9000. Boom. Turn her down like so. So I can hide my line. And you can route it any way you want. So we're gonna use this nice pristine coat hanger here to fish the boost line through the rubber grommet. Alright, so you're gonna want to take this end, tape it to here, and wrap a bunch around and pull her through inside the car. Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna want to give her a little tug. Perfect. Next, we're gonna remove some interior panels. Fuse panel right here. Pop that right out. Then you can put your hand in here to pop this side panel out for better access. And then to get your headlight switch out, where we're gonna tap into for ignition power, ground, and the lights signal, you push in, turn, and it pops right out, just like that. Unplug action. Then we're gonna mount this box up under the dash. Boost line connects to that. This baby wires up to the gauge. Ooh. Goes in there like that. You're gonna wanna mount your gauge in. Exactly. Alright, so after with this dash panel, I would highly recommend taking a couple aspirin before you take the panel off and install the gauge holder and the gauge. because it's going to take a couple hours to get her back together. And once you do that, you're never going to want to take it back off again. So, we got this filter that's supposed to go in line to keep the debris out of the box right here. So we're going to install the line and hook up the box and mount it up under the dash. Yeah.
You're gonna burn your fingies. Alright. It's wired. It's in. Now, just put the switch back in.
Hook the battery back up.
Shove that in there.
After wiring, hook your battery back up. Make sure nothing's smoking, because that's probably not good.
Minimal smoke.
Minimal smoke? Okay.
So we're good. Can't go boost in neutral.
Alright, so unzip it all back up, put your interior panels back on, and she should be good to go.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Wait, what?
You gotta subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe.
Yeah.
Like the video.
Well, I don't care if you like it or not, just subscribe.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching.
Even if you don't like it,
Oh.
subscribe.
Okay. See you later.
Bye-bye.